Boost your strategy is needed to optimize engagement and conversion. Boost your strategy is needed to optimize engagement and conversion. Leverage personalization and segmentation. Personalization and segmentation are essential for creating a customer outreach strategy that is targeted and effective. Personalization involves tailoring your messaging and content to the specific needs and preferences of individual customers. Needs and preferences of individual customers. Segmentation involves dividing your customers into groups based on common characteristics, such as demographics or behavior. By segmenting your customers, you can develop more targeted and effective outreach strategies for each group. Outreach strategies for each group. To leverage personalization and segmentation effectively, you should use customer data and insights to tailor your messaging and content. You should also track the performance of your outreach strategy. Ease and adjust your strategy as needed to optimize results. Ease and adjust your strategy as needed to optimize results. Use data analytics to track performance. Data analytics is essential for tracking the performance of your customer outreach strategy and optimizing results. You should use data analytics tools to track key performance metrics, such as engagement, conversion, and ROI. Conversion, and ROI. By analyzing your data, you can identify areas where your outreach strategy is performing well and areas where it needs improvement. You can also use data analytics to test different outreach strategies and optimize your strategy over time. And optimize your strategy over time. In conclusion, creating a customer outreach strategy based on data and market analysis is essential for reaching and engaging customers effectively. By identifying your target audience, developing a customer persona, choosing the right communication channels, developing a content strategy, leveraging personalization and segmentation, and using data analytics to track performance, you can develop customer persona, choosing the right communication channels, developing a content strategy, leveraging personalization and segmentation, and using data analytics to track performance, you can develop more targeted, personalized, and effective customer outreach strategy. By following these tips, businesses can improve their outreach efforts, increase engagement, and drive growth and success. How to create a customer outreach strategy based on data and market analysis. Reaching out to your current and potential customers is critical for acquiring new customers, boosting sales, and enhancing customer loyalty. However, an ineffective outreach strategy can negatively impact your brand and waste marketing budgets. Impact your brand and waste marketing budgets. To minimize these risks and maximize results, build your outreach strategy on the foundation of data and market analysis. This includes customer insights from existing data. Leverage data you already have on your customers to gain valuable insights into